Yes, it can be difficult starting with a big blank white canvas in front of you. This is what I do to help me create interesting portraits and landscapes. I use Raw Umber coating the canvas. This is a really nice way to start your painting. It's not quite a mid-tone, not really, it's a little bit on the darker side. So we start with a Raw Umber coating on the canvas, which is really, really nice. It's a nice, like I said, it's not quite a mid-tone, but it's a really good place to start. I then use Raw Umber and titanium white to do a little underpainting. Doing an underpainting is an absolutely wonderful way to make sure that you've got things right in the way that they look and everything's in relation and starting broad. We've talked about this before, but it's a really good way to help you see the tonal shifts. So going from the darkest to the lightest, and you can use the Raw Umber of the canvas as your darkest dark, and you can use the titanium white as your lightest light. Make sure, word of caution, when you're doing this, paint with very thin paint. Use lots and lots of water. You do not want to start really thick, okay? You want it nice and light, a good wash painting, but get those things planned out. Hope you enjoyed that. Whatever you do today, have a wonderful day, and let's all make some art.